done quite a lot of pan-European work in the recent past. I think it's true to say still a lot of certainly institutional money looking for core. I think a lot of Germany, some Holland, in terms of jurisdictions, which probably won't surprise you hugely, have seen quite a lot of interest, I think, in what was traditionally alternative sectors, which I think are becoming less alternative as the months go by. So things like hotels and some student as well, I think, becoming clearly more mainstream. And then I think there was a trend for jurisdictions such as Spain, money sort of flowing through that way, which I think we're still seeing, although I don't think it's as hot as it potentially was, a year or so ago. But I think it obviously depends on what pot of money is being represented, but certainly I still think a trend for a lot of German and Dutch stuff, really. I think definitely a trend is, or still a current trend, is that there's a huge amount of capital with similar business plans following similar product. I think we're still seeing that quite a lot, which I think is advantageous to some extent for competitive processes on transactions, certainly on the portfolio transactions, but equally it's pretty hard for the potential the sponsors and the buyers out there to differentiate themselves through the business plan and to sort of get the pricing to work. But I think we're still seeing a tremendous amount of weight of capital chasing similar assets with similar business plans.